para sa Nueva Vizcaya and stolen. And drives to the hoops, basket and one. Caliboso, bump to the hoops, basket and one. Caliboso. Santiago kicks it out. Clemente fakes, drives behind the back pass, the floater. Oh, what a there you go, Team Nueva Vizcaya. Please, yes sir, Velasco.
First block.
Tan to the middle. Bounce pass. High pass Tan. Corner pass. And Tan. Bounce pass to the middle. Fire. And here we go. Team Santiago, number 10. Inside pass and a far of the window. Bucket for 2. And here's Nueva Vizcaya. And the pass to the middle. Kicks out. For 3. Tan. Bang! 3-point start. And here's Team Santiago sa gitna. Inside pass. Nakalibre na naman. Easy 2. 2-point lead. And 5-6-5 score natin. Tan. High pass to Tan. Tan stepping back. To the middle, fakes, spinning, Tan, bump, rejected. Backdoor inbound for Team Nueva Vizcaya. Bounce pass number 5, pass it back and a fire. Oh, what a perfect execution from. And number 27 kicks out for 3. Bang! Back to naagaw pabalik. Artates, bounce pass. And he's stolen it back. Pass break. And Calibosa jump. Oh! And here's Team Santiago. Bounce pass. Dagdag. Clemente. Inside pass. To the middle. Floater. Bullseye. Clemente stops. Spinning. To the middle. Sigua. Bump. Stolen by Caliboso. Caliboso. Bump. To the hoops, basket and one. Caliboso. Nueva Vizcaya and stolen. And drives to the hoops, basket and one. Caliboso. Now in hurry, he goes to the baseline. Rejected. And the pass to the middle. Clemente bounce pass. Corner. And Clemente inside pass, the hollow pass. No good. And the rebound still for Santiago. Kicks it out. Clemente fakes. Drives behind the back pass. The floater. Oh! What a perfect pass! And Tan. High pass. Long 3. No good. Rebound for Santiago. 3 on 1. Against Tan. 4 on 1. Liz. Yes sir. Clemente. And there's Clemente. Pass to Sigua. To Clemente. Corner pass. Artates, Clemente, pass back Clemente, crosses over, goes to the middle, pull up jumper, bullseye, Clemente bounce pass to the wings area, will attack, fires off the window, bucket for 2. And here you go, Team Nueva Vizcaya, please, yes sir, Velasco, and the pass, here's Clemente, kinaliwa, hook shot, oh, tinignan ba yung... That's the Artates bounce pass. And Dagdag spinning. He stops, launches on 3. Bang! Pass Clemente. Clemente guarded by Tan to the middle. And inipit. Bump. Picks. Sa gitna. Far short. And Caliboso the rebound. And here's Tan. Tan. Pass to the wing side for 3. Bang! 3 point. Clemente against Tan. Pass to Artates. And here's Dagdag. Clemente inside pass. Fires. And Dagdag. Tima yung gwardiya ba naman sa loob. And here goes. Side step. Oh! Basket and one. Grabing akbang yun. Lead 30-25, 5-point lead for Team Santiago sa 3. Bang! Binawian! Caliboso, pass to the wings area sa 3. Babawi, bang! Beyonce, umuulan. Then spins. Goes to the screen. Bounce pass sa gitna. And it's Sigua. Sinausaw. Sigua. Caliboso. Nakalusot. Drives inside. Stolen. And here's number 11. Balot. Pass to Dagdag. Artates. He spins. Inside pass. Sa gitna. Bump. Stolen by Caliboso. Pass. One-on-one. Bounce pass. Lace. Yes, sir. Comes Tan. Tan. And recover. Sa gitna. Lace. Bakit is good. Hook pass. Artates. Cross pass. And the pass. Artates. Bounce pass corner. Posting up. Hinatid na agawan. And sumigway. The bounce pass. And Ubaldo to the hoops. Bakit for two. Ubaldo. And there's Artates. Hook pass. Naagaw ni Zan. And the pass. And Liz. Bakit. 5-point lead. Ubaldo. Drives. Pass. No good. Tips. Bakit for two. The follow-ups. The end. Nueva. Vizcaya. The pass to Caliboso. To Tan. High pass to the middle. And Tan. Inside pass. Oop. Clemente now in hurry. And to the hoops. Oh, Clemente all the way to the hoop. Caliboso. Pass to the middle. High pass inside the lob pass. No good. And here. Artates. And the pass. Reverse layup. Bucket for two. And here's Sigua. Sigua. To the middle. Spins. Inside pass. Pass in. Finish by Artates. 3-point lead for Santiago. Clemente. Pass to the middle. Penetrates. Kicks out. Clemente fakes. Bump. Inside pass to Sigua. Reverse layup. What a finish. Pass to the middle. Number 4. And recover. Kicks out Tan. Launches on 3. Won't go. Rebound by Velasco. Velasco spinning. Open look. Velasco for 3. No good. For the backdoor inbound. Sigua bounce pass. He stops. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Clemente slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to it. He spins. Kicks out. Open. Fires at 3. Artates. Bang! 3 points. Oy! Na technical. Technical free throw. Pumasok po. Pass to Sigua. Pass back. Clemente. Picks. And Clemente with the ball. Will spin. Will bump. Kicks out for 3. Bang! Artates 3. Velasco. Natapikan Artates. And the pass. Side step. Hugo step and the lace. Oh! What a move! And zigzagging. Attacking the list. Bucket for 2. Pass. And this being hang time. Yes, sir. Antonio back to back. Tan. Pass to Antonio. Antonio goes inside. Hook shot. Bucket for 2. Antonio. Rebound Clemente. Clemente the pass. Artates. Looking for the clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Natapikan. And Artates. Stop inside pass bump and fade away. Bucket for 2. That's the end. And here's Clemente. Inside pass. Lee Sigua with the finish. Clemente. Pass to the wing side. Dagdag for 3. Bang! 3 points. Dagdag. Clemente inside pass. Bounce pass is stolen by Ubaldo. And Nils Antonio will drive Inside pass. Oh, the deliver and the finish. And crosses over. Will drive. Antonio natapikan. Eksakto sa kalaban. Basket. And Tan. Kicks out. Open look. Antonio. He launch. Bam! 3 balls. And the pass. Attacking the defense. Side step. Inside pass list. Bucket for 2. Back to 8-point line. Antonio. Hook pass to the middle. Lace. Yes, sir. Nils Clemente natapikan mula sa likod. And stolen. And stolen. And the pass. Eksakto yung pass. Pass. Basket and 1. Velasco. For the inbound. High pass. And the pass. Here's pass. Oh, pass it for 2. Caliboso. And congratulations, Team Santiago.